What is internal polarization? Polarization is when different parts of you have strong disagreements or conflicting feelings. It's as if there's an inner tug of war happening. IFS shows us how to be curious and non-judgmental towards our inner conflicts. We learn to listen to the different parts that hold opposing views, giving them space to express themselves. When we don't pick sides, we notice both have really good reasons to feel the way they do. They often are hoping for the same thing. They just have different takes on how to get there. The goal is to bring harmony to them so that they can work together instead of against each other. By understanding why they exist, we can develop empathy towards them. In this road, the IFS Guide app and workshops can help you connect with these parts and give you a roadmap to connect with them and repair these conflicts. For more information, please check our website, ifsguide.com.